Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working in Vivo T3 Ultra 5G phone, or WhatsApp keeps stopping or has stopped error on Vivo T3 Ultra 5G or other Android phones. So follow the methods and you can get rid of the error on any Android devices. So first what you need to do is you should check the server status of WhatsApp. For that, go here and open Chrome. Now search for WhatsApp server status by going to Down Detector website. Here you can see the server status of the app. If it's down, simply wait for some time and after that again check it and see if it's working or not. The next solution is to check internet connection. For that, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you are using mobile data, make sure data roaming is turned off and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to restart your phone. For that, you simply need to press power plus volume up button and now click on restart option. Once your device restarts, now launch the WhatsApp app and then check if it's working. Method suggested is to force stop app. For that, go to settings. Here search for WhatsApp. Open it and here you can see force stop option. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the app and check if it's working. If not, then you should clear the cache of WhatsApp. For that, go to settings, app info, select WhatsApp. Now click on clear storage and cache option and here you need to click on clear cache option. This will clear the cache of the WhatsApp app and after that try to launch the app and check if it's working. The next solution suggested is to update WhatsApp. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp over here. Now here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply click on update and once your app is updated, now launch the app and check if it's working without any problem. The next solution is to check your phone OS. If your device operating system is not updated or is running in older version, then also such kind of issue occurs. So what you have to do is simply go to settings, go below and here click on system update option. Here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply update your phone operating system to latest version and after that check if the issue is resolved. The next solution is to check storage space. For that, go to settings, then click on RAM and storage. This can be different according to the device you are using and here you should check if there is enough storage space to install the app. If there is less space, kindly delete some unnecessary apps or files and then try to launch the app and check if it's working. If following the all methods you face the issue again and again, then it's time to reinstall the app. So for that, you simply go to settings, under click on apps. Now open WhatsApp and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on uninstall option. After that, go to Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and here you need to install the app once. After you install the app, now try to launch the app and check if it's working. So all these are some of the best solutions suggested to fix WhatsApp not working or keep stopping or any other kind of issue on Vivo T3 Ultra 5G phone or any other Android devices. So that's all for now. Thank you.